Should I follow everyone who follows me? No. In fact, hell no. Many Instagram accounts will follow anyone and everyone in hopes you follow them back. So you'll get people following you that have absolutely nothing to do with the type of post you're putting out. And most of these, you can go check them out, but most of them will unfollow you in a few days if you don't follow them. And a lot of them will unfollow you after you follow them. They're just following so that they get a follow back. That doesn't apply to everyone, of course, but there are a lot of those. So what you're going to want to do is when someone new follows you, click on their name, go check out their account, and look and see what they're posting. Is it of benefit to you? Is it of interest to you? If not, don't worry about it. Maybe you are posting something they're interested in, but they're not in that niche. They're just interested in it, and that's okay. And so remember, if you follow someone and you decide you don't want to follow them anymore, you can unfollow it anytime. Just click on it, unfollow. Don't have your feelings hurt when people follow and unfollow. It's not a big deal, okay? Hopefully they won't take offense if you unfollow either. Now, you can only follow 7,500 people, and you don't want to fill it with things that aren't going to benefit you. If it's not of interest, not of benefit, leave it alone. And one of my bonus tips, I do not follow private accounts. It used to be a tactic that what they told people to do, make your account private, then go and follow, comment on other people's posts. Well, their idea was the only way you can see more about them, who they are and what they post, is to follow them. Now, a lot of them, they just had private accounts, not because of what they were posting was private, but it was a tactic to get people to follow them because people have a tendency to follow and then not think about it, to unfollow if they're not interested. So check people out when they follow you. If they're of benefit where you're going to be able to like their pictures, to comment on their pictures, get ideas from what they're posting, learn something, whatever, just make sure there's a benefit. No benefit, don't follow.